Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front grille on Dodge Nitro. The grille on this car is held by a couple of clips and also a couple of bolts which hold the headlight, and the headlight comes out with the grille altogether. These are the plastic clips that we need to remove. I've already removed part of them. And also those bolts that hold the headlight, we also need to remove them because the headlight comes out with the grille. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed all the bolts and plastic clips, I'm going to use this plastic pry tool to pry out the grille. We need to put the pry tool in there and just try and pry it out. There is no need to put a lot of force on it, it should come out pretty easily. Now we'll do the same on the other side. I'm not going to remove the grille completely, but now the grille is loose and all that is left to remove is a couple of electrical connectors for the headlights. I'll show you where the electrical connectors are located. There is two on this side and two on the other side. When you remove those connectors, you can take out the grille. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.